Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Snapchat. Your account is compromised and has been locked for your safety. So this kind of error occurs when you try to log into your Snapchat account and you enter password, and this kind of error occurs. So without wasting my time, I will tell you the solution. First of all, you have to close that. After closing that, what you have to do is you have to open any kind of browser, which may be Chrome. So what you have to do is you have to search for Snapchat Sport in the Google. As you can see, if I search for searching for Snapchat Sport, if you search for Snapchat Sport, then what you have to do, you have to click on the first link you are shown. If you click on that, then you will be here, and you have to search for contact us, and you have to click on that, and you have to select the problem you are facing. So you are not connected to your or you are not connecting or accessing to your account, so you have to click on that. After that, you have to select the problem. I think my account has been hacked or any of the problem you are facing. You have to click on that, as your account is locked, and they are providing you the solution what you can do here. If your account has been locked because it was compromised, then they are providing the solution for it. If the problem is still there, what you can do is you have to click on how to prevent your account from being locked. After doing all the things, you can select any of the problem they are saying. My account has been locked because it was compromised. You have to click on that. After that, you have to click on contact our support team, and you have to provide username, email address, and mobile number, and you have to explain the problem to Snapchat, that what is the problem you are facing. Here you have to explain the problem to Snapchat team, as I have already written the description for it. Hello Snapchat support team, please solve my problem. My problem is your account is compromised. Please help me in this regard and fix this problem for me as soon as possible. After doing all the things and providing username, email address, and mobile number, you can click on send, and it will be received by Snapchat team, and within few days your problem will be solved by the Snapchat team. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.